Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 39 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series. And today what we're going to do is we're going to look at tab stops. So what I've done here is I've actually typed in some table of contents right here, and then I've added in the page number at the right side, and I pressed tab over here. As you can see from the hidden characters that this is tab stop, and I have enabled hidden characters over here. So now this doesn't really look like a table of content. I want the numbers to be here at the right side. So I'm going to select this out just like this, and I'm going to go into tab and then go to type and then go to tabs right here. And you can see that my tab stop actually comes up just like this. So over here, what you can do is you need to add in a tab stop now. So you can see that right now the tab stop is not being applied to any of this. So in order to add in the tab stop, simply click on the section right here. So just click it and the tab stop has been applied. And to align it to the right, just click and drag it just like this at the end over here, and you can see that all of the page numbers now aligns it just like this. So you can align this to the right side or the left side, as you can see. So right side seems a bit odd on the text, so I'm going to do a left side align or center align if you want to. So I'm going to do a left side align. You can see that the numbers actually align just like that. So now you can see that I can align this to the right, and now this looks like a page number. But in order for this to lead out, it does not actually look that good. So I'm going to select it out, and over here I want to add in a leader. So let's say, for example, I can add in dash under dash right here, underline dash, and press enter, and you can see that this actually appears right here. So you can add in any character you want actually. So let's say, for example, if I want to add in a star or something like that, I can also do that, and you can see that that actually applies it. You can add any characters that is let's say something A, and you can see that that will actually fill up the whole character. So for now, what I'm going to add is a simple character. Let's just go over here and add in something like full stop over here and press enter just like this. So let me select all of it again and then backspace, full stop, okay, and press enter. You can see that everything is filled up with the dot just like this. Now what you can even do is you can select the dot. I feel that the dot sizes are too big, so I can reduce the size of the text, and you can see that this is how it works. So now this is 6 point. I'm going to add in 6 point to all of it. So you can see that you can select all of the dots individually, just like you would select a character and add in the text value over here. And you can see that this gives a lot of designing freedom. So you can select this out. You can even expand the size of this, expand the text size. Let me just keep that to 100% itself, or change the color over here. You can see that I want to change the text color itself, and you can see that I can even change the color of the leading line just like that. So that is how tabs and tab stops work inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.